In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram app not opening. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you have the latest update of your Instagram app. I'm going to teach you how to do that. If you are on iPhone, you go to the App Store, and if you are on Android, you go to the Google Play Store. So I'm on an iPhone, so let's just go to the App Store. And then you want to search for Instagram. And as you can see here, I have the Instagram symbol right here, and if on my iPhone it say open, but if it say update, you need to update your app, and then you just tap update. But as you can see on my app it says open, and we will go to the next step. The next thing you want to make sure is that your internet connection is stable. If you are on Wi-Fi, you can try to change over to mobile data and see if that will resolve the problem. And if that solves the problem, you have a slow internet connection, and that might be the problem. If that doesn't work, you probably have to uninstall and reinstall the app. This will clear the app's cache, and it might solve the problem. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.